So, as a woman, why you don't feel safe to receive? Because of scarcity mindset, also because of lack mindset, also that there is not enough. There is not enough. There is no abundance. Okay, my needs are too much trouble. It's too much. Okay, and I'm asking for too much. I should ask for less. I should not cause any trouble to anyone. So the core wound of all these things is a lack mindset. That if I will not control everything, if I will not do everything on my own, if I will not, if I will let go of this, if I will not heal this person, if I will not fix this person, how can I just let go of this person? I cannot have something else better than this. I cannot attract something better than this. I cannot actually experience something better than this. Because in order to believe that in order to let go of all these things, you have to come out of the scarcity mindset, the lack mindset, that yes, I can let go of this job, of this client, of this person who's not treating me good, but to just grab that opportunity from the place of lack and scarcity, that if I will not show up, if something will go wrong, I will lose this, I will never be able to have better than this, so I better do everything in order to grab whatever is in front of me. So in order to buy safety, you adjust your tone, your voice, you suppress your opinions, your voice, your truth, your true authentic self. Okay, so this mindset and this frequency often attract those type of people who will withhold, who will not give you, who will make you feel like that, yeah, you are asking for too much. Okay, let your nervous system believe that there is more out there. There is so much more. I don't have to live in this small space, this small place, thinking that पूरे वर्ल्ड में बस इतना ही ये स्पेस है जो मैं ऑक्यूपाई कर सकती हूँ, जो मुझे मिल सकता है. मतलब यूनिवर्स इतना बड़ा है एंड आपका नर्वस सिस्टम ये बिलीव करने के लिए ट्रेंड है कि मेरी सेफ्टी सिर्फ इतने ही स्पेस में है, इतने स्पेस में जो लोग हैं उन्हीं से है. अगर ये स्पेस मेरे हाथ से चला गया, ये लोग मेरे फील्ड से चले गए, ओ माय गॉड, देन देयर इज नथिंग. व्हाट विल आई डू?